Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete account on DeepSeek. So in order to delete your DeepSeek account, you will first have to come on deepseek.com. Over here, you will see this My Profile option. So you need to click on My Profile and then go to Settings. Now by default, it will show you the general settings like language and theme, but the delete option will be in the profile section. So you need to click on Profile, and this is the delete account option. So here you need to click on delete, and now it will show you the repercussions that you need to bear if you delete your account. So you can read it if you want to, and if you want to contact them, you can definitely do that by clicking on this email. Over here you need to just type delete my account. So this phrase you need to type over here and then confirm delete your account. So this way you will be able to easily close your DeepSeek account. So currently I don't want to do that. So but if you want to do it, you can definitely just follow these steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.